Everyoung Metals Company Limited is an advanced field solution manufacturer situated in Ningbo, China. Our factory occupies an area of 7,000 square meters, which includes our standardized manufacturing plant with advanced production equipment and a computerized warehouse. We produce rotary mold plastic tank, diesel pump, gasoline pump, oil pump, and a blue pump for worldwide quality customers. 30 years of passion and experience. We love what we do. We developed new products every year to meet the ever-changing market demands for our customers. Everyoung Metals have an outstanding manufacturing team such as Operation Office, Rotary Factory for plastic tank, Mechanical Factory, Assemble Factory for pump, Assemble Factory for tank, and a professional service team consists of 3 designers, 3 marketing specialists, 7 engineers, 8 sales, and 8 logistics. We are auditable. Our company has achieved the ISO 9001, ISO 14001 standards and have GS, CE, EMC, LVD, UN, ROHS certificates for our products. We are very proud to be the first Rotary factory in China since 2004. We create and design all the Rotary aluminum tools by ourselves. We own an advanced mechanical factory to meet customer needs. We are the earliest and most capable factory in China to manufacture diesel pumps since 2002. We have a full range of diesel tank, water tank, Adblue tank for professional markets. It's our mission to protect your brand. Our QC department conducts 100% inspection before every shipment. We keep on upgrading our quality control system to ensure our products conform to advanced international standards. Innovation is important to maintain competitive in the market. We have already achieved 75 patents so far. 4 months ago, we moved to our new office in 5-star Sheraton Hotel. We all enjoy it very much. We are reliable and professional, eager to partner with you for greater success. We are honored to be the exclusive agent for Gispaza in China since 2019. These are the top-selling diesel pump, diesel flow meter, and diesel gun and hose reel, and also the top-selling diesel tank and a blue tank and water tank. Everyoung, PLC, Gispaza, all 3 pumps could assemble on our diesel tank. There are hundreds of products in our showroom. Hopefully I can show you around next time I see you. If you have new concepts for the products, we are more than willing to help you turning new ideas into real products. We are happy to take the challenge and opportunity to meet your needs and expectations with the resources we have at your disposal. Our main markets include Australia, Germany, UK, Italy, Spain, France, Finland, Sweden, Norway, USA, and Canada. We established close-knit relationship with many famous companies and factories all over the world in the past 30 years. Our vision is to offer the broadest range of superior quality products and excellent services to enhance your success. We aim to be the best in innovations, quality services, and efficient delivery. We assure you that we are the most advanced field solution provider for you in China. Let's make more successful products together.